Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start with the preparation of alkyl and aryl amines. Now, which are the preparation used for the preparation of alkyl and aryl amine? There are different methods of preparation for the alkyl and aryl amine preparation. Now see one by one. Alkyl and aryl amine can be prepared from different compounds. It can be prepared from nitro compounds. It can be prepared from nitriles. It can be prepared from aldehydes and ketones. It can be prepared from amines. Now see one by one how it is prepared, alkyl and aryl amine. Methods of preparation. Preparation of amines. Methods of preparation of amines. That is, both alkyl and aryl amine can be prepared. Now see one by one. Alkyl and aryl amine can be prepared from nitro compounds, when we consider the general example of nitro compound, suppose RNO2, when it undergoes into the reduction, that is H2 in PT, platinum, or SNN, HCl, or Fe in HCl, that is metal in acidic condition also can be used for the reduction of nitro compound, that is alkyl nitro compounds, nitroalkyl. These NO2 group get reduced into the NH2 group, that are NH2 by the reduction process, plus twice H2O. Now, in place of NO2, how many hydrogen we insert? These 2 and these 4. How many hydrogen is required? There are 6 hydrogen is required to reduce the NO2 to NH2. That this is the alkyl amine. This is the alkyl amine. Now 6 hydrogen is required for this reduction. That nascent hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. In this way, the nitroalkyl get reduced into the alkyl amines, RNH2. Now, it can be explained by taking some example. याचा आपण वेगवेगळे एक्झाम्पल घेऊन एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो. जसे की आपण CH3 CH2 NO2, that nitroethane in presence of H2 in PT, 6H, or SN in HCl in metal, in HCl, that tin in HCl, or Fe in HCl, iron in HCl also can be used for this reduction. Then CH3 CH2 NH2, that's ethylamine, plus H2 NH2 2 plus twice H2O. In this way, the ethylamine can be prepared from nitroethane by the reduction process. This is all about alkyl amines. How aryl amines prepared? That we take the example of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene can be taken as a raw material. In presence of H2 and NPT, we require 6 hydrogen, or SN in HCl or Fe in HCl can be used. This is a nitrobenzene. It gets reduced into the aniline plus twice H2O. It gets reduced into the aniline plus twice H2O. This is the first methods of preparation. Now, how alkyl arylamide can be prepared from nitrile? Let's see. Can be prepared from nitrile, R C triple bond N. This is a alkyl nitrile. It gets reduced by using a different reducing agent. LiAlH4, which is a strong reducing agent, which generally reduces all the functional groups into its corresponding compound. Or we take sodium in ethanol. For this reduction, how many hydrogen is required? 4 hydrogen. That 4 hydrogen is required. This nitrile get converted into the amines R CH2 NH2 R CH2 NH2. Here 2 hydrogen is inserted, here 2. Therefore, we require a 4 hydrogen. This is the alkyl amine RCH2, alkyl amine. This is the alkyl amine. Now, this can be explained by taking a different example, that acetonitrile CH3 triple bond N can be reduced into the ethylamine. Can be reduced into the ethylamine in presence of LiAlH4, which is acting as a strong reducing agent, or sodium in ethanol, N in ethanol. How many hydrogen is required? We require 4 hydrogen. Therefore, this acetonitrile get converted into the CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethyl amine. We get a ethyl amine. In this way, ethylamine can be prepared from acetonitrile. From benzonitrile, aniline also can be, or we see how the from benzonitrile the amine is prepared. That C triple bond N. Same reducing agent is used, LiAlH4, strong reducing agent, 4 hydrogen is required, or sodium in ethanol. Here, this is a benzonitrile. This benzonitrile can be converted into the CH2NH2, that is benzylamine. It can be converted. Benzylamine can be prepared from benzonitrile, benzylamine. In this way, alkyl and arylamines can be prepared from the nitrile. Now we see how alkyl and arylamine can be prepared from the amides. Now we see the third methods of preparation of alkyl and arylamine. From amide, one of the famous name reaction, that is Huffman degradation or bromamide reaction. Huffman degradation or bromamide reaction. Bromamide reaction. Huffman degradation. Why it is called as degradation? Because in the product is formed one carbon less than the reactant. One of the carbon from the reactant get reduced or degraded into the one carbon less than the reactant. Therefore, it is called as Huffman degradation. Now, how it is prepared? That alkyl and arylamine can be prepared from the amide. We see the general example RCONH2, reaction of amide with Br2 plus twice KOH plus twice KOH. Now our product is RNH2 plus CO2 plus H2O plus twice KBr. That alkylamine, we see one carbon is get degraded less in product than reactant. CO2, CO, twice KOH is written as a KOH, twice KBr, OH, H2O, and this O, CO2, H2O, twice KBr. In this way, the reaction get balanced. Alkylamine can be prepared from the alkanamide. Amide. This reaction can be explained by taking the suitable example. Now see, from acetamide, that amine is prepared. CH3 CONH2, that is acetamide, plus Br2 plus twice KOH. It get the reaction of that acetamide with bromine in KOH. We get CH3 NH2 plus CO2 plus H2O plus twice KBr. That the product is formed one carbon less than the reactant, that is acetamide. This is a methylamine. In this way, the alkylamine can be prepared from the acetamide by the Huffman degradation reaction. Now, By taking the benzamide, from benzamide we can prepare the benzylamine, aniline, sorry, benzylamine, no, not. We can prepare the how CONH2. This is the benzamide plus Br2. The reaction of benzamide with bromine in presence of KOH. That 2 moles is taken as KOH. Here we get a such type of product, that is NH2. One of the carbon get degraded. That product is formed one carbon less than the reactant, that is aniline. We get aniline from the benzamide plus CO2 plus H2O plus twice KBr. In this reaction, the aniline is formed from the benzamide. That is, in aniline, one of the carbon is less than the benzamide. Therefore, the reaction is known as Huffman degradation reaction. In this way, the alkyl and arylamines can be prepared from the amides. Now, the fourth method of preparation is the from aldehyde and ketone. That alkyl and arylamine can be prepared from aldehyde and ketone. Alkyl and arylamine can be prepared from ketone. That this is the fourth. From aldehyde and ketones. R C double bond O H. We take the example of aldehyde. The reaction of aldehyde with ammonia NH2, that H2O get released minus H2O. This is ammonia. The reaction of aldehyde with ammonia, it forms a RC double bond NH imine. This imine get reduced with H2 in Ni or H2 in Pt or H2 in Pt as a reducing agent. Simple hydrogenation, that RC H2 NH2. How many hydrogen is required to reduce the imine? 2. It provides the 2 hydrogen, that H2. Then we get a alkylamine. In this way, the alkylamine can be prepared from aldehyde by the reaction of aldehyde with ammonia. Then formation of imine takes place. The imine get reduced with H2 in Ni, that as a hydrogen in nickel or a hydrogen in platinum as a reducing agent, which is generally used in the hydrogenation process. Then amine is obtained. Here one of the hydrogen is inserted. One hydrogen is inserted here, CH, across the carbon double bond nitrogen. The hydrogen molecule is get inserted. One hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Therefore, we get a CH2 and NH2. Double bond get converted into the single bond. Now, how it is explained? By taking the example, we take the simple example of acetaldehyde. CH3 COH acetaldehyde. the reaction of acetaldehyde with ammonia. Ammonia can be written as H2NH. Here H2O get eliminated. We get imine CH3 CH double bond and H. This is the imine. These imine get reduced with H2 in platinum. Here the addition of H2 across the carbon double bond, nitrogen takes place, one of the hydrogen here and one of the hydrogen here. There we get a CH3 CH2 NH2. That ethylamine can be prepared from acetaldehyde. Then from benzaldehyde we can see the preparation. This is the alkylamine, but how arylamine is prepared? Benzaldehyde, from benzaldehyde amine, aromatic amine that get prepared. See the example of benzaldehyde. See the double bond OH, benzaldehyde reacts with ammonia. Here H2O will get eliminated, minus H2O. Here we get such type of CH double bond NH, CH double bond NH. Imine, we get a imine. This imine upon reduction with H2 in platinum. This imine upon reduction with H2 in platinum, CH2NH2. That benzylamine can be prepared from the benzaldehyde by the reaction of benzaldehyde with ammonia. It gives imines upon reduction with H2 in platinum or H2 in nickel. We get a benzylamine. Another method is also there for the preparation of amines. That one of the famous reaction, that is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. From this reaction we can prepare the amines from by the Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. Let's see this Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. We will discuss the Gabriel-Thalamide reaction in tomorrow's lectures. Thank you.